Every day, patients walk into your pharmacy with conditions that standard medications aren't fully addressing. Joint pain, nerve pain, fungus, hair loss, skin conditions, and more. These patients deserve more, and now you can offer it.
Hey Maria, I know you've been struggling with hair loss for a while. I have something I'd love to tell you about a compounded hair loss solution that combines several active ingredients at higher concentrations than anything you'd find over the counter. Would you mind if I called your doctor to get authorization?
Of course, please do.
With the patient's consent, your next step is simple. Pull up their profile in your pharmacy system and find their prescriber's contact information.
Hi Dr. Porter, this is Richard the pharmacist, calling from Acme Pharmacy. I have your patient, Maria, here with me. I know she's been dealing with hair loss, and I wanted to run something by you. I may order a compounded topical formulation for her. It contains multiple active ingredients, including minoxidil, progesterone, and hydrocortisone, in a higher concentration than what's commercially available. Would you be comfortable giving me a verbal prescription for this?
Absolutely. Go ahead. Sounds like a great option for her.
Verbal authorization received. You're ready to place the order. Create a prescription in your pharmacy system. Now open the MegaAid Central Fill portal. Create a new order with the internal prescription number and the refill number. Then, choose the compound you confirmed with the physician from the list, or using the chatbot. Choose the prescriber using name, location, or NPI. Choose the patient. Please finish the order with the necessary information and hit Submit. That's all it takes. The moment your order comes in, our team at MegaAid gets to work. Orders received before the daily shipping cutoff are shipped the same day via USPS, which means your patient can receive their medication as soon as the very next business day. Every compound is prepared in our PCAB-accredited facility, in full compliance with USP standards. Each formulation is precisely measured, carefully mixed, and quality checked before it ever leaves our lab. The finished compound ships directly to your pharmacy. When it arrives, you dispense it to your patient, just like any other prescription, except this one was made specifically for them. Through MegaAid's Central Fill compounding, you can now offer your patients custom formulated treatments with no lab build-out, no additional staff, and no upfront investment.